What if I told you that you could build an entire automation workflow without manually adding the triggers, actions, or even searching for apps? Sounds hard to believe, right? Well, let me show you something. I'm just going to enter a single line right over here, which is add Google Ad leads to sheets. I am just going to select the details right over here, and you can see I entered this prompt at 12 p.m. and exactly at 12 p.m. only the workflow is created successfully. Now I can simply open this workflow and move on further, connect my applications. As you can see, I created this within a single minute. So yes, hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can also build an entire workflow with just one prompt. And this was just a simple example. In this video I'll show you how we're going to build 7 to 8 steps of workflow with a simple prompt. So to do this, you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. You can create 100 of automations for free and try Pabbly Connect for free and then move on further. Okay, and further, if you like Pabbly Connect, you can move and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code which can get you the highest amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, which is attached right over here. It is RITYT. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and then if you find it helpful for you, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. And now let's see how one prompt can build an entire workflow and how can we make this work. So for that, just log in inside Pabbly Connect. Once you're on the landing page, just click on this sign up for free and you can register for free. Go on this sign in and then simply select Pabbly Connect and click on this access now, and the dashboard of Pabbly Connect will open in front of you. Now click on this create workflow button and go on this create using a quick builder. I'm just going to start a new chart over here. Okay, so what you can do, you can create workflows, you can explore apps, you can get triggers and get actions. You just have to enter the prompt right over here in order to get the workflow. So as you can see, I've entered my prompt right over here, which says whenever a new Facebook lead ad is received, save the leads to Google Sheets, use OpenAI to generate a personalized follow-up message based on the lead's interest, send the message to lead via WhatsApp, notify the sales team on Slack, create a deal in Pipedrive, schedule a follow-up task in ClickUp for 2 days later, and then send a confirmation email to the sales manager with all the lead details. So let me just send this right over here. As you can see, I send this message at 12:05. So let me just wait. It is analyzing my request and it is saying which Facebook lead ad trigger should start this workflow. So it is new lead instant, so I'm just going to select the same. It is saying which Google Sheets action, so it is add new row, so let me just select the same. Which OpenAI action, so for that I want to use ChatGPT right over here, so I'm just going to select ChatGPT. It is saying multiple apps match WhatsApp, so I want to use WhatsApp Cloud API, so let me just choose WhatsApp Cloud API and then send text message over here. Which Slack action, so I want to send channel message. Which Pipedrive action, I want to create a deal, so I'm just going to select the same. Which ClickUp action, so over here it's a create a task, so I'm just going to select the same. Which delay, so over here I want to add time delay, so I'm going to select the same. It is saying which Gmail action, so it is send emails, so let me just select the same. You can see the workflow is created. Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets, then OpenAI, then WhatsApp Cloud API, then Slack, then Pipedrive, then ClickUp. And not only this, I wanted to add the delay, so the delay is also added, and then Gmail. So let me just click on this approve and create. If you want to edit this, you can go on this edit option and edit it. I want to approve and create, so let me just go on this approve and create, and the workflow is created successfully. I entered all the details, or you can see the prompt at 12:05, and within 2 minutes this 7 to 8 step workflow is ready. So let me just click on this open workflow button and you can see yes, this workflow is ready right over here. We have a total of 8 steps over here, or you can say 9 steps including the delay, and yes, the workflow is ready just in 2 minutes. Facebook lead ads, Google Sheets, OpenAI, WhatsApp Cloud API, Slack, Pipedrive, ClickUp, delay, and then Gmail. Further, I can connect all my applications and the workflow will run in real time too. And yes, this is no magic. magic. This is the power of the quick builder of Pabbly Connect. So that's it. No more dragging these steps, no more searching for the apps one by one, no more manually figuring out what comes next. Just one prompt and within few minutes AI generates the complete workflow for you. Pretty amazing, right? In this video I have shown you how to build an entire workflow using a single prompt with AI workflow builder, or you can say quick workflow builder of Pabbly. So especially if you're new to automation, you might not always know which app should come first, which action should be used, how workflow should be structured. This quick builder figures that out for you. You simply explain your goal and it turns you into the idea you're working for. Of course, you can still review the workflow, connect your accounts, make changes if needed, and customize it before turning it on. So you're always in control. And that's how easy it is to build an entire workflow using a single prompt with Pabbly's quick workflow builder. So whether you're creating simple two-steps automation like I showed in the starting of this video, or complex multi-app workflows like this workflow builder helps you to get started in seconds instead of building everything from scratch. So if you found this feature useful, make sure to try it once, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any doubts, just drop them in the comment section below. My team will help you out. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Don't forget that the amazing discount coupon code, which is RITYT, is attached in the description box below. It can get you the heaviest amount of discount, or you can see the highest amount of discount today on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. So do check it out once. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, go try this. Thank you for watching.